Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes, and today we have for sale this lovely Triumph Tiger 1050 Sport. So the Sport version, obviously which they do now, replaced the normal 1050, gives you the single-sided swing arm, some slightly different variants, it just looks a little bit cooler overall. So this one is a 2018 bike, but on a 68 plate, done just 5,348 miles from new, but it's a super clean bike, as you can see. These ones even come with cruise control nowadays too, so quite modern stuff on there. This one's got the heated grips on the bike as well, but it's a really nice thing. Have a look at that display. So they come with ABS and traction control as well. You can see the heated grips there too, and also on this side the cruise control. Let's give it a quick start up for you. And there we go, and they also get power modes on these ones as well. So what a fantastic piece of kit. If you do fancy it, please do get in touch or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.